What's up YouTube? Josh here with another video for 2019 Camaro. So today we have the Borla exhaust video. We will be going through a lot concerning this exhaust setup, comparison videos, so it will be a longer video than normal. So this is the Borla Atak axle back system. Part number can be seen here, 11927. Yeah, it run me $929, but hey, it looks fantastic. I know it's going to sound fantastic once it's on the car, and I'm going to try to walk through every step of this process. So this video will pretty much encompass anything and everything that may arise in questions you guys may have. So excuse me. So with that being said, let's get this system out. Let's take a look at it, and I'll go over some of the specs, and we'll go from there. So here's our Borla system. See that there? Nice. 4-inch. Each tip is 4 inches. The system is made from 304 stainless steel, which is really nice. Man, they're massive. It's approximately 8.5 inches total width here, so 8.5 inches on each side. If you watched my video yesterday, I had to install a new diffuser that would fit these exhausts here, because my current exhaust is dual tip. Obviously these are quad tip. Total weight of the system is 33 pounds, so you are losing a little bit of weight on the car, so it's nice to have some weight reduction. They said somewhere between 25 pounds is about what you're going to lose when installing this. So 25 pounds is 25 pounds. It's always nice. So it's pretty much guaranteed to give you about a 10% horsepower gain. So that's approximately 40 horsepower that I'll gain out of this system here, which is really nice. And once I put my cold air intake in, I'll be sitting about 450. So that's really nice for a V6. And you know, obviously a V6 will never sound like a V8, but you can get it close, and you know, this system's going to help do that. So this system did come with instructions. You can see here, and it's very detailed constructions about where to cut, how to place this system, and get the results that you want. So yeah, it's got all these hangers already built on them. Tips are already pre-welded. And on the back here, they're marked so you can't mess it up. That's left, and that's right. And that's always signified from if you're standing at the rear of the car facing forward. So just a little bit of information to keep in mind. But once again, if you look at those, they're just awesome looking exhaust, and they're going to look fantastic on this car. I do have to mention also, this part number 11927 is without MPP. My car has MPP on it. I fuse pulled it, but hey, I want my car loud all the time, and this is the loudest system they have, so I went without MPP functionality, and just had to include that information in there before we start the install process. But you know, they're going to sound great, and I want them to sound great all the time, so that's why I chose without MPP. Also, I keep throwing videos in here to mention, pretty sure the pipe on the car right now is 2¼ inches. This is 2½ inches, so this will fit over, and you got clamps that actually clamp this down onto your existing pipe on the vehicle. So now that y'all know a little bit about the product, we'll go ahead and start the install. At the end of the video, we will have comparison videos as far as cold starts, some cabin noise at slow rolls, and some highway speeds, and some flyby videos. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start this. All right, so let's see. It says to cut, to mark 7 inches from the first weld. So Alright, we're gonna mark that and go with it and see where it puts us. So let's see. Hopefully I can do this. It's hard to tell. But right there, do the same to the other side. Let's see. Might not be enough, honestly, doing that. Might have to cut off more. Alright, so first we're going to take these bolts off here. They're 15 millimeter. And it's going to be the same on the other side. You're going to want to cut them at those marks where you did it. There's the other side. That is us. A recap for you guys. You want to measure from this weld 7 inches out, and that's where you're going to cut at. All right, so let's look under the car real quick. So you can see I got them tightened down. You'll slip the new Borla system over your existing pipe. Make sure to have those clamps already on the other pipe. That way you can slide it over, tighten them down, same for both sides. And I kind of tucked mine up and away so when you're looking from the back of the car, you don't see bolts hanging. So I kind of tucked them up and makes it look cleaner and nicer. You're gonna shove this rod into this rubber grommet here that holds up, that supports this piece here. Well, supports the back end of the system, I should say. And then you're going to stick the hanger through there and tighten your bolts back here. So my right side exhaust turned out perfect. This one was actually shoved up and touching this here. And a lot of people have said that their systems, usually the left side, is messed up. So to fix that, you got to bend these hangers. I weld on this thing with a sledgehammer for a while and finally got it pushed over a little bit. I wish that this wasn't hanging as low. I wish it was a little bit more even. I don't know how to fix that. Maybe do something else with the hangers or what, but I wish this was a little bit higher, like here. But yeah, that's the recap as far as putting this on. It's pretty simple. I did it in 40 minutes, I think, by myself. I just had car ramps. I backed the car onto ramps, and simple as that. So they already need cleaning. Look at that. It's bad. Also, you know, everybody has a different opinion on how far these should stick out. I like mine sticking out a little bit. It gives it more, to me, it gives it more of an authoritative presence, I guess. But some people like them sticking, you know, even with this. It's just personal preference, whatever you like. To do that, you just slide it further back on the pipe. That's it. So. Cold start. Cold start.